If Microsoft Edge is showing a DLL error on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple fixes that can help restore Edge and get it working again. This is a great solution if Edge is not opening properly, keeps crashing, or shows a missing DLL file message when you try to launch it. These steps are beginner-friendly, fast to follow, and can often fix the issue without needing advanced tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu and opening it from the results. Once Control Panel is open, look for Microsoft Edge in the list of installed programs or your system settings, depending on how your PC is set up. Right-click Microsoft Edge and look for the option to Change or Repair Microsoft Edge. If you see a Change or Modify option, click it and follow the on-screen steps. This can help repair broken Edge files and replace damaged components that may be causing the DLL error. Be sure to complete the repair process fully before moving on to the next step. After that, the next thing you want to do is use the command prompt to run a system file check. This is an important step because DLL errors can sometimes happen when Windows system files are damaged or missing. To do that, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This part is important because the scan needs administrator permission to check and repair protected files. Once Command Prompt opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Windows will begin scanning your system files and automatically try to repair any corrupted files it finds. This process may take time, so be patient and let it finish completely. While the scan is running, it's best not to close the window or interrupt the process. Once the scan is done, restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Edge again. In many cases, these 2 steps are enough to fix the DLL error and get Edge working normally again. If the problem is still there, it may mean the installation needs a deeper repair, but this method is the best place to start because it addresses both the Edge app itself and the Windows files behind it. So just to recap, first repair or change Microsoft Edge from Control Panel, then run sfc/scannow in an administrator command prompt, and finally restart your PC. And that's how you fix a Microsoft Edge DLL error in a simple and effective way. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows fixes and easy tech guides.